the train was built by a shipbuilder. So Canadian Vickers, they built ships. So this is a real ship horn. If you ever hear it, you'll remember it because it's very, very loud. It's the main difference between the MR-63, the MR-73s, and the MPM-10, the Azur. This is all mechanical. So the trains were built in the 60s, but this technology dates back, way back, you know, before Second World Wars.
It makes me sad a little bit because I began working on the 63 maybe 15 years ago. They are good trains, you know, and today they're even better than the 73. So, but politics is politics, so we have to change the trains if we want some more reliable trains, like the MPM-10. So this is the way it goes. We have to live with it.